How to use Jasper AI for content creation. So the first thing you're gonna see once you log into Jasper, once you create an account, is it will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better. What industry does your company work in? You're gonna click media, then you're gonna press enter. Let's type in videos. And now share the URL of, for example, your YouTube channel. So let's do that. Let's select a plan. Now let's check this and start your free trial. And now enter your topic into Jasper. Let's click send and let's just wait for Jasper. Now we can see that it found 3 agents designed for this type of task. I'm gonna choose instructional post. Let's view it. Okay, let's use this agent. And now let's add context and add text. So let's write to it. So let's say to it, you're making a video on this topic, a YouTube video. Let's add. Now we can click setup project settings. Let's select a voice. So now what we're gonna do is copy this text, then go back home and type in create a background video for the voiceover of this text. Let's use the video outline. Now we can generate now. And this can be kind of an outline for the video that uses the script that Jasper made for us. And that's how it can help you generate content. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.